open house today with nearly 80 visitors, and it was a very good presentation today. We from Zoller were able to present the Zoller company history. Then we introduced the new Zoller products, the new Zoller Power Shrink and the new Zoller Tool Balancer in detail to our customers. After the lunch we presented the Zoller automation solution, future technology for many of our customers in the future. It was a great visit here, good communication, and I look forward to my next visit here at ZOLLER UK.
Yeah, it's been great really. It's been really informative, and it's great to see the sort of innovations really that sort of Zoller are working on, the way that they're pushing the market forward, pushing technology forward, and sort of embracing sort of this sort of integration, digital integration and automation.
Yeah, it's been again world class really. You know, it's since you walk through the door, you greet nice, free food and drinks on tap all the time. Everyone's friendly, everyone's helpful.
It was really interesting. The robotic side was quite it opens quite a lot of different avenues where it could be other items that could actually be used on as well.
Been really good. Really enjoyed the videos and the talk from Mr. Zoller, and about all the options, what they can offer, and innovation, what they create in Germany.
I found it really interesting looking at the new technology and like-minded people who are interested in taking their business, their learning to the next level.
It's very interesting. I found really interesting information. I'm really impressed what I saw.
Yeah, really good. Definitely worth a visit. The hospitality is really good, and yeah, it's been very informative.
We've had a fantastic day at our inaugural Technology Day here down at Zoller UK. We want to send special thanks to our guest speaker, Mr. Christoph Zoller, for attending, and all our new and existing customers that came down for some fantastic demos on tool presetting, inspection, automation, the new Power Shrink machine, tool balancer. If you weren't able to come, please don't think that that's the end of the story. If you want to see this and set up a bespoke demonstration, please get in touch and one of our team will be happy to host you here at Zoller UK, or even bring the machine to you.